Mr. Storage Man. We got a 10 by 15, $190, filled with electronics.
Great. I'm very excited. And tires.
So I'm kind of surprised you got this for $200, but let's see.
I am too.
Look, it has the Eiffel Tower.
That doesn't mean nothing.
It just looks like a empty bag, just empty.
So, how much is that going to go for?
No.
Probably throw away?
Probably throw away. Look at these are tires. I was really scared about these, but they're brand new. So 2 tires, I don't know, copper tires. Maybe
Really? So that might be good.
the 2 tires. And then,
Whoever wants 2 tires, though. Don't you need 4?
yeah, maybe they just want 2. Cheap. And then we got this big old thing. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know what I'm doing with this.
We can work out with it.
Yeah.
You can just flip them.
Yeah. Like, share, subscribe, all that. Sang it early. Okay. So we have a lot of buckets. And there's a lot of buckets here. So I'd say all the buckets will sell for $20 if I could bulk everything.
Oh, that's good. And there might be even something in there.
We got some sockets in there. And these are just empty boxes for the sockets.
Oh, okay. Sockets with anything?
We can probably bulk all the tools. Or maybe 20, 40, depends how many tools there are.
Hopefully there's some good tools.
A little saw. Nothing really good in there. Some more tools.
Ooh. I don't even know why I said ooh for.
Yeah, just for spray paint and stuff.
Yeah.
That's not exciting.
So far, none of this is exciting. Look at those printers over there.
Yeah. We have a headlight.
Mm-hmm.
Some outside door lights. Just miscellaneous.
But it's all
at
brand new stuff. Oh, there's your lock.
brand new lock.
You could use it for the storage unit.
There's just like miscellaneous stuff in there. Printer ink for those printers.
Great. So maybe we'll actually keep one.
Yeah.
Do you need a printer?
Yeah, we need a new one. Okay, nothing. Oh, this is something. I don't know what this is, but it's a power supply thing.
Mm-hmm.
All this stuff we can bulk it for sale. Someone
Definitely.
will take it. A saw.
Definitely. Really?
Oh yeah. It's miscellaneous. I don't see anything crazy. Let's see.
Okay.
This is heavy.
Paperwork.
Paperwork. No Pokemon cards.
Or baseball cards.
Yeah. Oh, look at this.
Okay.
The Golden Scrolls Online Collectible Edition.
Oh, that's so sad.
It feels heavy though. I don't know.
That was really sad.
Yeah,
How come that's always the way it is?
A box of this
That
stuff.
doesn't look like quality.
Studio Nova.
Yeah, no, it's not.
I'll probably just get rid of this stuff for free because it's not just worth my time.
Where are you going to store all this stuff, by the way?
Good question. Look at this. Yeah. Oh, it's maybe a computer part or something.
Yeah.
Looks like it's a laptop top. Probably not worth much.
Okay.
I'll probably just. There's a lot of laptops here. I'll just probably include that.
Are those even worth anything?
I'll just sell them for parts.
For parts, that's right.
And I'll just include that. And there's 3,
There you go.
4, 5, 6.
That's really good.
Some,
So, like, if you
oh,
had,
there's 7, 8. There's 8 laptops.
so you could almost get $100.
Yeah, $100 just
For
for
parts.
Oh,
Whoa, I almost tripped and fell.
yeah. Look at these. Oh, this is really heavy.
These
These are probably garbage. It's not
Yeah, they look like
grass. I'll get rid of them for free.
so nice of you.
Yeah.
Looks like a sewing machine to me.
Yeah. Okay. Sewing. Brother sewing machine.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe $20.
Maybe 30.
Maybe 30. Look at this. Transmission filter kit. I don't think that's worth much.
Please be something good.
Please be something not a car part.
Yeah, it's a car part.
It's a remote control. Just miscellaneous.
Yes, a credit card.
Nothing good in here. Okay. And then
More pens. Big chunk of pens. Watch, pens and pencils. Did I call it or what?
no.
No?
Yeah, you did.
Ah.
Look at
Let's see, I called it.
pencils and.
Am I so good or what?
Something different. Look at.
Oops, you just broke it.
Okay, there was just there. Look at a Canon.
No way.
That's probably $50 maybe.
Yeah,
That was just a remote I got. So
that's good. No, it was a mouse.
that's what I meant. So, and that's a charger for the Canon, so that's good.
Yay!
That will sell.
That's nice. You're so far a winner
And
here.
then we have this Play It All radio.
Who's gonna use that? That looks brand new though.
It's pretty new. Look at it.
It looks
You
very
want it?
new. No.
Maybe $10, $20.
I mean, you could put it in the barn for your entertainment.
Yeah.
But you're not gonna be in the barn anymore.
Okay, another one. These I probably could sell these, but I just don't want to deal with them unless they're antique. But I don't think they are. So I'm just gonna list these for free to a good home. Look at this.
Oh, look at that monster. That's like so outdated, isn't it? Because of how big it is.
Yeah, I'll probably sell this for free because I don't want it.
Well, somebody would use that.
Look, I can't lift it.
Oh my god. How are you gonna get it out of here?
My muscles.
Because that wasn't part of the deal of me filming you.
Yeah.
It's helping
This guy
you.
must have like fixed laptop or something.
Oh,
the
there you
ink
go.
cartridge for one of these, probably
Yeah.
this big one.
And it looks brand new, right?
Yeah. Brand spanking new. So those are all these laptops.
What about that table? Good working table.
Yeah, $20 table.
There's your desk.
I'll probably see if these work. Maybe I'll get a little bit more, but even if I sell them all for parts,
But
$100.
even if you got them to work, how are they going to turn on if you don't have the password?
I can reset all these.
You can?
Yeah, what is this? This is something I've never seen before.
It looks like for a Ram truck.
Yeah.
Because I'm smart like that.
Okay, let's see. We have tools. All right, oldie.
Really? Oh, yes.
A little.
So that's not a nail gun, is it?
No, we'll probably keep that. No, all right, oldie.
Yes.
A flashlight. Samsung charging pad.
Hmm?
A hammer.
Maybe Ethan can use that.
Yeah. Okay. And big old drill. Another drill.
Yeah.
So a bunch of tools. Probably
You could sell those drills easy,
at
can't
least
you?
$100. This is at least $100 bin.
Uh-oh, those are going to be heavy.
Ceramic tiles.
Are those going to sell since they're brand new?
It's probably not because people want more. Most of the stuff I'll get rid of for free because we don't have space. Look at a nice hat.
Yeah, put it on.
No, it's disgusting. Okay, a keyboard. No Pokemon cards.
Reflectors.
Like an HP thing.
Who can always use reflectors?
A little mirror.
Oh, nothing.
Just miscellaneous mailing. Got this
Okay.
thing. That feels cute.
Yeah.
But look at this. I saw this in photos. It's like a tumbler for rocks and stuff to smooth them out.
That's.
It's probably $30 or $40.
Are you going to use it?
It's brand new. Yeah, it's not brand new, but if it works, $20, $30, $40. Look at cookware set. It's not what's
Bet
in here.
you it's something different.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Clothes.
Wondered where the clothes were.
Okay, look at an empty TV box.
Great.
There is a computer right here.
Yeah.
That's probably $50 computer. Oh, look
Is that
at it.
Christmas stuff? Wow. My
Your
mom would like
mom will
that.
want them. It's housewares. Have you heard of that?
House or no?
There's a bunch.
Are there a lot of cocks in there?
Yeah, there's a box of cocks. They're in good condition.
Here, for a picture, just hold them up. There you go.
Oh. Okay, box of cocks.
Okay.
Maybe your mom wants some of these. Your mom likes cocks.
She does like cocks.
So this is just a box of. It's all box of cocks.
Okay,
So
that's
someone
nice.
might want the
I
whole
bet she'll
box.
want one.
Someone might want the whole box.
Maybe your mom will want a cock.
Yeah, look at more of this. Oh, look at this. This is nice if it's in here.
Oh, that looks expensive.
Yeah. I see something else that's nice too.
Really? You did really good on this unit. I'm impressed.
Let's go all the way
Okay,
out.
I'm leaving.
If this is in here, which it feels like it is, I don't know what it's worth, but
That seems like
pressurized abrasive blaster.
Say no to crack on that one.
Really?
Yeah, can't help it.
Yeah. Okay.
You had to open it, huh?
Have to see what's in here.
Show the people.
Oh man.
Uh-oh.
I don't want to ruin the box too much.
Do you think it's in there?
For how heavy it is, I think it is.
It looks like it is because
Yeah,
it's
look
red.
at it. It's used,
Wow.
but it's
Somebody will want that.
someone will want it. I don't know what this is worth. I'll look it up, but
Huh.
it has to be worth something.
Worth a lot.
Yeah. Another computer. This will be just a part. This computer, probably just for free.
Okay, is that more dishware in there?
Yeah. Look at another one of these,
Ooh,
and a smaller
that's
thing.
nice.
I don't know what this is worth, but
It's got to be worth
it's
thousands.
got to be worth thousands at least.
Okay.
So what is this? Oh,
Oh, that's heavy.
what is this?
It looks like a hard drive.
This is like a. It says Dell. It's massive. It's heavy.
Like a massive hard drive for storage of
Yeah.
info.
Your big collection of you know what.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a whole bunch of.
I
them.
know
Look at-
there's like a ton.
I don't know what these are.
Oh, that's Carly.
We'll look them up. Okay, we're pausing real quick. We'll be right back. Baby issues. All right. So
What does that mean?
you know. So look at this.
No one knows what that
Yeah,
means.
baby issues.
I know, but that you have a baby and
Oh, yeah, we have a baby and yeah,
yeah,
issues.
because
Look at this. Drink Jugger-Nog.
That's so
a good nog,
vintage.
10 cents.
that's so vintage looking.
And look, it has this guy right here. So I have to test to see if this works. Might be worth something.
Something. I don't know.
Printer, ink.
Always one of these in Florida.
Yeah. So a lot of printers back here, big speakers here.
Ow!
Watch out.
That really hurt.
Yeah, there goes that. A
Ow.
lot of
That scraped my back of my leg and I'm bleeding.
call an ambulance. A lot of computers and speakers. All this stuff will sell even if it doesn't work. Someone will buy it for parts. Oh, you're fine.
That thing fell on me.
Yeah. So look at there's all these things. I figured out that they're for servers, and then this thing here, we thought it was a filing cabinet. I think it's for servers. I think it's a server cage.
I have a broken leg now.
Yeah. Keep crying. I just have to see back here. Look at another paint spray gun.
Is that new?
I don't know.
Well, it matters if it's new. There's nothing worse than old paint.
Yeah, a lot of this computer parts and stuff back here.
Wow.
Okay. I saw this in the picture. Sonic wall can be a very expensive, like firewall.
But it won't be in there probably.
We'll see. And this chair is ugly.
Ew.
I'm gonna have to get rid of it quickly. Oh, look at
There's more computers over here.
dog trainings. Yeah, a lot of computers, a system set, another printer, all this stuff.
A Christmas tree.
Yeah, all this stuff will sell for $10, $5. And we made our money
Do
easily.
we want this Christmas tree?
No, look at. Do you want this?
No, no.
Whoa. Okay, let's see. Oh, what's in these?
I think my leg is Got blood gushing out of it.
You're absolutely lying. Hey, look at these. This made in the USA. Is there something on here? I have to open it.
You have to open it. Everybody now wants to know what are in those
four
boxes.
Of them. Whatever it is, there's 4 of them.
Was that a typewriter in there? That black thing?
This?
No. With that.
This?
Yes.
Oh, I can look. Let's see. Oh, it's a light.
Oh, great.
It's got 4 lights. Let's see, is this a typewriter in here?
Mm-hmm.
I was gonna look in here and then I completely forgot. It's very light. It's nothing in here.
It's a suitcase.
Yeah. But see that? I think this might be a server or something. The case. I don't know anything.
Maybe there's lots of money in
Look at
this.
Rubik's Cube.
Wow. In that filing cabinet.
Yeah. I see a lot of paper.
No money?
No. Look at cell phone.
Say no to
Yeah.
crap.
There's no crap. Okay. Oh, there's a printer back here. Or no, this is another. I can't see. I don't know how to get it out. It's a 15 amp output motor. Something.
Hmm.
Oh, let me see that. Okay, that's what it is. It's a saw. It's a table saw, like. So that's probably $100, brand new.
Oh, so I can have it.
Yeah, there's 2 speakers here.
I want a table saw.
Yeah. Oh, this is all just all these phones. It's not Sonic. Anyway, for $200.
This is like somebody's office.
$200. We made our money. I don't know if this is worth any money.
He went bankrupt.
I might just sell that stuff for free. If you know...
Anything good in there?
No, not really. I mean, it's all the same stuff. If you know how to tell me how to test these to see if they work,
Yeah.
let me know, because I have no idea. I think we made our money
Definitely made
here and
money.
there. It's a lot of work ahead of us, so
My leg's broken.
like, share, subscribe. We got to go to the hospital, all that stuff. Bye.